Hey, what's up? I've been doing a lot of level design stuff lately, and I kind of want to talk about it a little bit. Oh. All right, so I guess like a little bit of context. Um, so you can't go ham in everything, right? Like when you're making a game, especially by yourself, you have to make decisions about, what you're investing in, what's important for the game, etc., etc. Now, I really wanted to skimp on level design because I don't know shit about level design. And it's kind of something I was hoping to skimp on. I don't know. I know like some of the basics. Some of the OGs taught me some of the important shit. And like, if you're curious what I found those to be, you see up here, this is your friend when you're blocking shit out. Because this guy is, it turns on the grid. So you see this thing, every square. That's basically when you move something, that's the rate of where it changes. And then if you use the brackets, like the ones next to P on the keyboard, this sexy little hotkey because it lets you just go like back and forth. Grid getting smaller, grid getting bigger, and so when you are blocking levels out, you want to keep everything kind of like samey, like on the same grid, so that you're not like sitting here like a dumbass, like trying to figure out how to, like, pivot something correctly to like be a ramp or like connect blocks to each other like where they should be. It just kind of keeps things like speaking Lego language to one another. And it's like super helpful, especially for like rotations. Something else that's good. I just did this in BP, so like just open it real quick maybe. This is boring shit. You can go past it if you're not like in the editor like a nerd like doing shit like this. So I changed. I don't know what's wrong in here. I changed the pivot point inside of the BP, so the mesh sits like this, but the actual like origin of the actor is right here. The text render is well, actually like down where the green and red line meet on the grid. So when I like connect pieces, or when you connect pieces, or when you are connecting pieces, uh, it's kind of like this is where it snaps to something else. So when you come to like an edge, like if I wanted to make like, yeah, do those brackets real quick. Sexy ones I was talking about. Uh, Here we go. So if I wanted to make this a ramp, you see the pivot is like right there. You can actually just change the scale. It's on the outside. Okay. Oh shit, I think the video dies every time I hit undo. Alright, that's good to know. Anyway, you can change the scale, and it's the same shape, it just has a different origin, and the pivot changes. And so you can do things with the rotation, just like put it down. Oh, this time we're building navigation, I apologize. Yeah, and it just like, God, it just saves you so much fucking trouble. And like, see, it's awful. Let's see. Oh, no, whatever. Anyway, you get the idea. Yeah, so back to level design. I wanted to skimp on this. I've played shooters my whole life, man, and it's just kind of like, honestly, it's just something like I feel more than see. Like, it's really hard for me to get designer brain around it because it's like embedded in gamer brain somewhere. So I think that's like started to change for me a little bit as, thought of things as like architecture and like learning about architecture and just kind of like remembering like cool spaces and like what you like about the spaces you like and maps you like and I don't know, just like the shit that does it for you. So for me, in my video game Hyper Viper, we have like a lot of movement verbs and it's kind of been what I found to be the thing needed to like really unlock those and kind of like, before we get into stuff like builds and really kind of granular like fun things that are like big bang for buck as long as what is underneath them is good, like the basics have to be good, and this has not been good, therefore combat has been not good. It is not highlighted you know, movement burbs, it has been like awkward to kind of like design enemies and like powers and really just like find the flow of the game. Yeah, so investing here has really helped like quite a bit. And happy to talk some more about that, but I feel like we've been staring at an overview of the level for some time, and so I'm just gonna, you know, mix it up here just a little bit. And so we got some nice little slide movement going here. And that's kind of the idea with this area, is this like, it's just all ramp, you know what I mean? And that's fun, but it's also big boy commits. So the challenge now is kind of like fighting our way out of here. And like, obviously we're just blocking out right now. So there's nothing down here, but there's gonna be something really enticing. Whether it's just kind of like a free power up, or I don't know. There's been a few different things that we've kind of messed with that haven't really, I don't know. Like I said, haven't found the flow of the game exactly. Though this feels like a big step. Oh, yeah, I gotta fix that. It's funny when you like are playing your own game and like people complain to you, or like they say, "Hey, this isn't good," about something, and it's like something like you like, and then like you have a situation where like, "Oh yeah, that's kind of dog shit," and here's why. They were like totally right. Humbling. I'm of course talking about the when you get knocked, when you kick somebody, it's not really deterministic. It's kind of, yeah, whatever. I'm just some other time. By the time you see this, it's gonna be different. So, hi, puss. Yeah, give me that health, pussy. It's mine. Whoop, 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 swag, whoop, swag. Ah! Yeah, so that's like the first area that I'm actually, you know, feeling a little pumped about in this here video game. Hey, why is there a jump pad here? Because well, I mean, it turns out going down ramps super fun when you're like a race car. When you can't be when you can't be a race car going up ramps, it sucks ass a little bit. So this is the fix. Oh, Jesus Christ, barely made it out. All right. Hey, so come back next time, and we're going to talk about this other place over here. This is another area that I've been working on. This has been Hyper Viper, patch version 1.8 preview. Hey, bye. Bye, thank you.